Oh my gosh, we're rounding up week number 2. Golly, it's going fast, isn't it? So hopefully you feel fabulous. Today's word is give. So I want you to give yourself this time on the mat. Give it to your body. It's a wonderful gift that you can give to it, and it will thank you in thousands fold. Is that a word? But it will thank you tremendously for all of the time that you spent giving it this intentional work. So, you ready to get started? Let's go. Starting right on top of the sitting bones, lifting yourself nice and tall. We're just going to start to pull the ribs back and take it down maybe a little bit further, and then bring it back up and lengthen it up. Inhale here, exhale, pull the ribs back as you sort of tuck the tailbone, and then we bring it back up on an inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, just warming up the body. Inhale. Now let's take it all the way down. All the way down on your mat. Pulling the heels a little bit closer to your seat. Let's roll the pelvis up as we open it up, and then we roll it back down. Good. Let's inhale on the way up. Pelvis high, chest heavy. Exhale it down. Focus on that rib movement. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. One more. Good. Taking those knees to one side, bring them up and over the other way. Getting that rotation. Inhale, exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Take it up to tabletop and squeeze those thighs together. Do it again now, a little bit deeper. Remember that rib pulls you back. 1 more each side. And come to center. Hold your thighs, lift your chest up. Take an inhale, fill your upper back with air. Exhale, find wherever you want to do your 100. And inhale. And exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. In and out, 2, 3, 4, 5. Really fill the upper back with air on your inhale. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. In and out. One more breath. Hug it on in. Good, and lower it on down. All right, so from here, you're gonna lift your chest up. You're gonna hug your thighs, and we're going to roll ourselves up to a seated position. Good. All right, so from here, let's just take our legs into a V, sitting up nice and tall. Take an inhale here. Exhale as you just pull your ribs back and up, and roll it back up. Exhale down. Good. Roll it back up. Crisscross those legs. Let's go into our twist as we inhale. Remember the ribs pulling in and up. Other way. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take your hands to your shoulders. Do the same thing. One more each side, pulling in and up. Good, and release. Bring your legs together, roll it down onto your mat. Take your right leg in and extend it up to the ceiling. Anchoring by turning it out a little bit, and then just circle that leg right in the hip socket. 3 more, 3, 2, 1. Circle the other way. Just get that thigh, that femur bone heavier into the hip socket. Lubricate that joint for 3, 2, 1. Hug it in, other side, stretch it up. Turn it out a little, and we circle it. You might feel some clicks. We're just trying to really lubricate it so we don't get those clicks anymore, but it takes time, consistency. Circle the other way. Just keep dedicating yourself to the mat, and you will see results. And 1, and then just hug it in. So we're going to keep this knee into us. We're going to grab onto that shin, all right? And then when you lift your chest, you're going to sort of press your hands into the shin, your shin into the hands, and let that help you find your rib connection. Pulling the ribs back and up. Good, maintain that. And then we're going to let go, so it's all abs there, and take the other leg, same thing. Ribs pulling back and up. Now let go, try to stay there, and switch. 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 Good, so your chest doesn't lower, right? Inhale, exhale. Inhale into the back, exhale into the ribs. 1 more. Lower yourself down. Good. Bring both legs into you. Hold underneath the crease. Flex it up, and then use your legs to just roll yourself up. Good. All right, so from here, let's turn to our stomach. Take your hands like goalposts. Pubic bone down. Take a nice deep inhale as you sort of push your heart forward, and exhale it down. Again, inhale it up. Ribs push forward and down, and lower. 1 more time. Inhale, and exhale. From here, just lift your right leg, lower it down. So again, we're trying not to move the sacrum. It stays still, so it's about the reach of the leg more than the lift. Now you can lift both legs. Again, it's not how high, right? And then we're going to add that upper body to it if you're okay with it. If not, just stay with the legs. Ribs forward and down. Inhale, heart forward. Heart down. Heart up. Heart down. 2 more. You are super supported here. Opening up all those joints that stay flexed forward when we sit. Push it back. Feel that stretch. Take it forward, hands and knees. We're going to find our diagonals as we take 1 leg forward, 1 arm forward, and then we float up, and we don't let that bowl of soup drop or spill. Good. Hold right there. And then we switch, reach, reach. Nice and still and long in the spine for 3. It's all about length. 2 more. 2, 1. Lower down. Stay right here. We're just going to take 1 leg long. Okay, focus on the sacrum. Sacrum lowers as your ribs lift, right? Holding that. Now the leg extensions again. We lift and lower. Lift and lower. Keep picking those ribs up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Drop down. Send it back. We're gonna lie on our side. Bend your bottom leg, stay nice and tall, and we just lift and lower. Good, remember this hip pulls down as their little waistline lifts up, right? Reach and lift, it's all about that length, always. 2, 1, hold right here, circle it. And just remember, you're giving yourself this gift of time on the mat. That's a cool thing. So let's enjoy it. Think about all the delicious things you're doing for your body. Circle the other way. Right now, getting all the gunk out of that hip socket from sitting all day, right? 3, 2, 1, keep it right there, and we swing it forward and back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Come up onto your elbow, okay? We're gonna come up on both feet. You can keep your bottom knee down like we did yesterday, or you can come up here. Really lift the ribs up. Good, and we'll take the hips down a little bit, up a little. And those ribs keep lifting. We got 4, good, 3, find that rib to hip connection. 2, and 1, and release it. Come up here, little mermaid, we're just gonna stretch the opposite way. Take your hand on your head, press that elbow up to the sky. Really stretch into the ribs here. Keep breathing. One more time, lift those ribs up and over. And then just rotate towards that leg. Hollow out the front of your body as you feel the ribs pull back and up. And then just come up to center. Let's go the other way. Bend your bottom leg, hug the leg. All right, push this hip forward, bend the bottom knee, and we just lift and lower, right? So as that hip pushes forward, the bottom waistline lifts up. Play with that a little bit. Each time you come to it, it's going to get easier. And just remember, these workouts are for yours to keep. So come back to them whenever you want. My gift to you, because we're giving today. 3, sorry, I had to. 2, 1. Now hold it about mid-height and circle it. Keep lifting the underside waistline. Keep pushing that hip away from the rib. Circle the other way. So you've got this box going on, rib to rib, hip to hip, right? We're trying to keep it as square as possible. And then hold it, and we swing it forward and back. You can always hold your hand here for a little extra support. We got 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, lower down, come up onto your elbows for the full plank. As we come up, ribs lift, and we take the hips down and up a little. But those ribs keep lifting up. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down. Let's turn it. Tuck your toes under. Lift up into an inverted V as we press our heels down and lift our heels up. We're going to tuck our tail, and as we tuck, we're going to feel our ribs pull back and up, and then we find length with our sacrum down, ribs up. And then we start to lift it up and press, ribs forward and down, and then tuck and feel the connection. Find the rib and hip. Got 1 more. Really find the details of it. And hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down. Send it back for a nice, beautiful stretch because you are finished. Good work. Deep inhales and exhales, breathing into your back here. Let your head go. You can rest your forehead down on the floor, great. You can take your hands behind you and rest your shoulders.
And really let go here and allow the breath to just make you even more smushy. Stay here as long as you'd like. You are finished with week 2. Have a great day.